So here we are with basically all the parts pretty much ready to go for final assembly. These logs have been polyurethaned. We used an oil-based polyurethane Minwax in I think it was a semi-gloss, because my wife wanted a little bit of a sheen to it. But we use the oil-based because it does give it a little bit of a yellow hue to the banister and the railing. But just wanted to give you a quick look at all the component parts. The only part that's missing on the end there is I have one upright that will be going in there. But other than that, this is what the railing looks like before we start to assemble it. So we're getting very, very close.